The Zonesun ZS-ZY300 is an 8-station fully automatic pouch filling and sealing machine designed for mixed granule and liquid products. Operating at 8 to 55 bags/min, it integrates automatic bag pickup, opening, granule weighing filling, liquid filling, and dual-stage sealing into one compact rotary system. Equipped with a multi-head combination weigher and high-precision liquid pumps, it ensures accurate dosing and stable operation. Compatible with various pouch types, it is ideal for food, seasoning, sauce, and mixed material packaging applications.